Okay, I see here you are going to learn about centroid of a triangle. First of all, what is centroid of a triangle? You see, suppose ABC is a triangle and AD, say BE and CF, these three lines you can see, they are medians of the triangle. Okay, AD is a median. Median means what? The line segment joining any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle is called a median. That means D is the midpoint of BC. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of AB. Okay. Now all the three medians in a triangle AD, BE, CF pass through the same point. Okay. Pass through the same point. AD is a median, B is a median, CF is a median. All the medians are passing through the same point. In the language of mathematics, we say that the medians of a triangle are concurrent. Medians of a triangle are concurrent. And that point of concurrence, the point through which all the medians are passing, that point is called the centroid. That point is called centroid. 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 Okay. So the point of concurrence of all the medians, all the three medians of a triangle is called centroid. Now, coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. How will you find the coordinates of this point? Okay, see, I already told you AD is a median, that means D is the midpoint of BC. When D is the midpoint of BC, so coordinates of BC, coordinates of point D equal to, this is the midpoint, that means ratio is 1:1, you know. If this is x1, y1, x2, y2, so x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. That means x3 plus x2 divided by 2 and y3 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, these are the coordinates of point D. Okay, again, centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Okay. Also, centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. You can see this portion is longer than this one. Okay, this is double of this portion. Okay, this is double of this portion. This one is double of this portion. So ratio is 2:1. Okay, while AD is a median. Okay, D is a median. Acha. Now you know the ratio, you know the coordinates of D, you know the coordinates of A also. So you can find the centroid. Okay. So therefore, the coordinates, that is our point, that is our question, the coordinates of the centroid equal to, okay, you know the formula here, mx2 plus nx1 divided by 2, okay, mx2. So m is 2. M is 2, mx2. Okay, so this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2 is here. x2, y2 is here. Okay, so 2 into mx2, that means x plus x3 plus x2 divided by 2 plus nx1. N is 1 into nx1. And x1 is x1 only, okay, divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 1. Similarly for the y, my2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So again 2 into this one, x3 plus y2 divided by 2 plus n is 1 into this one y1, that is y1 is here y1 only, divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 1. Okay, so 2 into x3 plus x2 divided by 2 plus 1 into x1 divided by m plus n, that means m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Here it is y3. This is y3 plus y2. So m is 2, m y2 plus n y1. This is y2. Okay, x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, here. So m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so from this one we can simplify it a bit here. These two you can cancel. Here also these two you can cancel. So what is coming up here? What is coming up here? That means this equal to what comes? x3 plus x2 plus x1. x3 or x1 directly I write. x1 I write first. x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Okay, divided by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, comma y1 plus y2, because these two are getting cancelled. y1, 1 into y1 is y1 only. So y1 plus y2, 1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, so this one is the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. So that means if the coordinates of these three vertices are given to you, say 2 minus 3, 3 minus 5, 4, 7, etc. given to you, so you know the values of x1, y1, know the values of x2, y2, x3, y3. Put these values in this formula, directly you get the coordinates of the centroid. I hope you have understood. Once again I tell you, what is centroid? The point of concurrence of all the three medians of a triangle, is called centroid. Centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. What is a median? The line segment joining any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. Okay, so easily you can find the coordinates of D or E or F. I found coordinates of D. D is the midpoint of BC, so x3 plus x2 divided by 2, y3 plus y2 divided by 2 is the coordinate of point D. So now you know this point coordinate and you know the point D coordinate, and the ratio also you know, so you can find the coordinate of the centroid, that is the point of concurrence of the medians, that will come as this. Okay, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3.